Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Kroger markdown haul. So I spent a total of $116.30. First thing I got was a turkey. She's about 16 pounds. She was not marked down, but she was absolutely free. So when I got to the cashier, I remembered that if you buy, I wasn't sure if it was $150 or $100, you get a free turkey. But when I looked it up, it said $100 and my total was $116. So the lady was nice enough to wait for me to go grab one. So I did. She was free. Mushrooms was $3.67. We got some deli sliced turkey breast for $3.72. And then I hit the jackpot on the ground turkey. These are 3 pounds each for $9.79. And I have 3, 4, 5 of them. Super, super happy. I actually wanted to make my meatball soup this morning and I had no ground turkey that I could find. So I was super excited to find these and we're going to restock our freezer with that. Chicken breast, 6 pounds, $6.49. I've never gotten it this cheap ever. So I was super stoked about that. I don't know if they changed the packaging or what, but the bag is now opened. It's fine. So that's going in the freezer. Just some classic white bread, sliced bread for $106. One of my kids wanted some. Then their steak was marked down to $23.16 and $21.93. But this week they're doing buy one get one free. So I paid $23.16 for 2 trays of steak, which I thought was a great deal. We got some lettuce that was on sale. And then these peppers were $4.99 for 3, which is not a great deal. But if you're a Boost member, they were $1.99. So I grabbed 2 bags for $1.99 each. They had a bunch of these deli sandwiches for $5.77. Someone already got into it. Hot dog buns, because I have a lot of hot dogs, and I want the kids to eat hot dogs sometime in the future, so 80 cents. Then these drumsticks were $3.39 already cooked. This will be great for someone. And then I got more, this is organic romaine hearts, $2.40, and then some bananas. This was my haul, you guys, for $116. I hit the jackpot. I feel so happy with everything that I got here today. It was a last minute kind of, let me go in and see what I can find. And I'm super happy and stoked about everything that I found. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Tomorrow I do have a Kroger delivery, which I already pre-scheduled. So that's going to come tomorrow and I'll show you what I get then. All right, so it is Tuesday, November 19th, the day before all the ads change, which doesn't really matter for this haul. This is a Walmart haul, but I thought I'd show it to you guys. I spent $75.81. I got more of those little mini cucumbers, some romaine hearts, celery. The celery was like 95 or 98 cents, which was a great deal. Cilantro under 70 cents. A taco salad, some coleslaw mix. I want to do like egg roll in a bowl, and I think I'm going to make a lot because whenever I make that, my kids love it, and I haven't made it in a while. I just grabbed these little ready-to-go salads for lunch, for a snack for whoever, and that way we just have them in the fridge. They were just under $3, like $2.98 or $2.96. So under $3 for one. I got this protein chips. I know there's different protein chips out there. I just got a little bag because I want to try it and see how they are before I invest in like a huge bag. And then cottage cheese is so good, but it doesn't upset my stomach. Dairy doesn't upset my stomach that much. I don't think so, but it makes me very sinusy, very mucusy. So I'm going to try this. I don't know if this is going to help or not. It's supposed to have less like lactose or something. I don't know. We'll give it a try and see how my body reacts to that. Then I got some of this lavash bread just for low carb. Same thing with this, the 0 carb, net carb tortillas. My kids love the sourdough bread from Seattle, and so I grabbed this for them. For those egg roll in a bowls, I want to put a little bit of yum yum sauce excuse me, or for just whoever wants yum yum sauce. I grabbed some pepperoncinis and then just a few different things of pickles because we go through pickles like it's water. My kids love pickles. We got a pineapple that's not ready to be cut into. And then, you know how I was telling you guys last week that I'm putting protein shakes instead of creamer in my coffee? Well, I became so sinusy, TMI, and so I was reading it, and I don't know why I thought it was like a plant-based, but it's not. The one I have has dairy in it, so it makes sense. So I grabbed this plant protein that's not supposed to have dairy, so we'll give that a try. And then I only put a few splashes, so one of these should last me a while. This was like under $9. Costco has a plant-based one, so if I do okay, I don't think it's this brand, but if I do okay with it, then I could probably just get those in the future. Anyway, this is what I got you guys for just under $76 at Walmart. I feel like it's very expensive. There's no real meat or anything, just some produce, some pickled stuff. I don't know. But Walmart can be expensive. But either way, with that being said, I did pay less on these and the produce than I would have at Fred Meyer or Safeway this week. You guys, so as I was waiting for my Kroger haul to come, I had to take my kid to school and then I had to put gas. And then I went to the Safeway gas station and they were like, I don't know, they didn't get gas or something because they didn't have anything besides diesel. So I had to go to Kroger and this is what happened. After getting the gas, I was like, well, I'm here. Might as well go see if they have any markdowns. I'm still waiting for my Kroger haul to come to be delivered. It's like almost 11 in the morning. But I paid a total of $102.34. Now, if I would have known that I was going to find these beautiful salads on clearance at Kroger, I wouldn't have bought them from Walmart at full price, but that's okay. We'll still eat them. I haven't seen these marked down like this in a really long time. So we got some salads. Then we got some bigger salads, like for my husband to take to work or for whoever wants to eat a big salad. So there's that. And then I found this beautiful yellow dragon fruit for 99 cents. The kids are going to enjoy that. Cauliflower for $1.63. This beautiful veggie tray for $6.05. And they still look crisp and delicious. And then mushrooms. And you guys, I promise you, there was so many more salads left after I got these. And so many mushrooms left. So somebody was marking them down. They still look fantastic. I grabbed a few. We'll go through them. These were normal price. I think $1.20 something. 2 bunches of radishes. Got some home style waffles for $1.30. And then these meatballs. I found them on markdowns. I'm not even going to freeze them. These are going in the air fryer. Or we're going to cook them up and we're going to eat those. Panera Bread Buffalo Ranch for $1.40. I figured this would be a fun treat for the kids to try. This was regular price, under $5, ginger paste. And then we found some beef. So this is beef flank steak. Again, there was quite a few left over when I was done, but I left some for others. And I really just don't have room in my freezer, if that makes sense. $2.65 for some fried chicken, and then a cute little bouquet of flowers that are still very beautiful for $2.80. I was going to go across the street to Trader Joe's to get their flowers, but this is even cheaper than getting them from there. So I just keep those in my kitchen. This is what I got, you guys. I will show you my Kroger haul. I keep wanting to close the vlog, but it's not happening because apparently on Tuesday, everything's coming on Tuesday. I'm not closing the vlog until you guys see what I get from Kroger that I bought. And there's some amazing deals there also. And yeah, I'll see you guys in just a minute. All right, here is my Kroger delivery. I paid $37.13 for all of this. So first thing I got were these Country Crock plant-based creamers, 2. These were on sale, so I grabbed 2. These were $5.50 each, which is on sale because they can run up to $10 each. So that was great. I felt like I got 2 for the price of 1. This is what I wanted to show you guys, the marinara sauce. I ordered 30. They only had 15, but that's okay. These were on sale for 99 cents, and then if you grabbed 6 or more, then you would get them for 49 cents each. So I grabbed 15, even though I wanted more. That's okay. 15 is still quite a bit. And then the ramen, if you buy 6 or more, they are 99 cents. I've gotten these in a couple weeks ago in the past. My kids like them, so I grabbed a few more, and bananas. So this is going to end the vlog, you guys. I know I've been kind of all over the place, but I ended up, like I said, I ended up going to the stores without like knowing I was going to go. And so I ended up getting more things. And then I did like a Walmart order. That was just kind of whatever, wasn't planned, but I did it. And so that's why this vlog is kind of all over the place. But I promise you guys, this is all the stuff we got this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yet again, I appreciate you guys watching my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.